Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great, exceptionally well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Stepping out of comfort zone to the master of English communication. Today I will share you practical tips and tricks that can transform way to speak. So we should not only speak and speak. We should sometime shadowing practice. And you can say, what is the shadowing practice? The shadowing practice is the most powerful English things. If you practice shadowing every single day, you will become a fluency English speaker. Better than me. I'm a very weak, but I want you will be become a good English speaker, but I am trying to improving because I have been learning English for 6 months, and every day I am trying to improve my speaking skills, reading, writing. But now, a few days I have starting sharing practice for a few days, and I realized that is very important as the English learner. But maximum English native speaker don't say this secret way to improve our speaking skills and also our English language. So don't listen to hard vocabulary and videos like if you like sports, you can watch YouTube videos about sports in English, suppose like that. First of all, you can identify your English level with ChatGPT. Okay, you can tell me, ChatGPT, hello, I wanna test my English level. Could you help me? He will definitely help you. ChatGPT will definitely help you, and then 5 and 3 minute conversation with him, and after that you will feedback your intermediate level, your advanced level, your A1, A2, B1, B2, anything. So search the YouTube A level English listening practice. Then you will get a lot of videos and select one and try to 5 minutes, 30 minutes, this type of. And first of all, 1 minute listen and try to say like native speaker. It's a shadowing practice. Like I love to talk to various kind of people. Sometimes when I can't understand them, I get frustrated, sadness, this type. When native speaker say, and try to say like him, and also try to improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important. You know that how to improve our pronunciation. Pronunciation improve only for one big reason, one big thing. Practice more and more. Whenever you see something, try to on your camera and make video and explain, because we are not content creator, but we are our brain content creator. We have to train our mouth. If you feel shyness, just go your home, turn off your door, close your door, and speak in front of mirror. This is also very important. When you speak with yourself, it also remove your shyness. If you really want to speak in English, if you really want to learn speak in English language, you have to practice in front of many people, mirror, and your camera. Is very important topic as English learner. Okay, so I hope you understood my point. What's the shadowing practice? Brother, just try. We know a lot of words, but we can't say. Why? Because we don't speak shadowing. Suppose like that, When we were studying in class 8, 9, 10, sometime our teacher give us some chapter for after that, after learn that till this. But this was also Bengali language, but we have to read, we have to learn this only 1 days. Why? Because read more, we did read more and more and more, and then after that, and second day, we will speak in front of our teacher. So like this English is like same way, brother. There is no any opportunity to listen anything, so you have to practice from your side. And I always remember that my mind always thinking in English. And when you say something, yes, yes, yeah, I could have do this. Yes, my brother, and he he is also English learner. I'm also English learner, so I should follow his rules. Thinking, just thinking. It's very important, brother. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Just keep going. You are already doing great. If you are watching my video, okay, you are probably learner, English learner. Okay, don't forget to follow my page. If you follow my page, I will be happy. Allah Hafiz.